Are you looking for best full-length mirror? Check out our top 5 picks. These mirrors are all high quality, durable, and affordable. Whether you're looking for a simple mirror or something with extra features, we've got you covered. So let's get started with the list. List number: PEX door mirror, full length 18 inches, 51 inches. This door mirror, full length 18 inches, 51 inches, is not only a stunning window dressing, but its practical features also add to its value. Polymer frame, simple sleek finish, produces a strong and decorative frame to highlight this door mirror's rectangular shape. Bring a modern finishing touch to your home decor. Our door mirror has already passed all tests, including impact test, dropping test, pressure test, etc. Each of our mirrors are equipped with double-sided tape to make you safer when opening the door. There is D-shaped hook on the back of the mirror. You can hang the mirror horizontally and vertically, according to your preference. Of course, you can easy to hang the mirror on the door. The 5mm high-quality float glass gives you the clear high-definition images without distortion, and its explosion-proof film, even if hit by outside force, the broken glass will not splash everywhere. List number: new type full-length mirror, standing hanging. The frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, and the color is elegant. The overall design is slender and simple, which makes it easy to display multiple items on the wall or floor. And it's very slim and lightweight, only 0.16 inches wide on the front. Even if you are not careful about hanging on the wall, it can still be placed on a table with no trouble either. Handcrafted full-length mirror that's thin and elegant in gold color, with a simple and elegant design. Copper-free silver mirror coating, environmentally friendly. Selection of composition and glass material for 3 materials. Premium aluminum alloy frame, elegant and simple. Very thin frame, only 0.16 inches wide on front. Wire drawing treat, simpler and more textured. This mirror has 3 layers of coating to prevent corrosion from ambient air. Moisture will not be damaged by oxidation and corrosion. List number: Hans & Alice 65 inches by 22 inches full-length mirror. This is a high-quality dressing mirror with 5mm pure silver mirror and a contemporary champagne color and design. The frame is made of solid wood. The floor mirror is explosion-proof and has a safety membrane. This dressing mirror will look beautiful on your dresser or in any room of your house because of its high-quality details, including a framed mirror with cheval mirror that can be used to check your makeup, see how good your outfit looks, or even just as a decorative piece. With a 5mm pure sliver lens, authentic sliver mirror adopting international environmental standard. This dressing mirror is durable with a contemporary champagne color. A superb mirror that is large enough to view your entire outfit. It has been constructed with an elegant champagne color design and cheval mirror that fits any decor, including contemporary and traditional ones. List 4. Laya full-length mirror with lights. Laya full-length mirror with lights is a full-length mirror with lights. Short press the above button to turn on or off the light. Long press the above button to adjust the brightness of the light according to needs. Short press the below button. You can switch the color of the light according to your needs. This full-length mirror can be used as a body makeup mirror when you are doing your makeup, or it can be a full-length vanity table mirror with lights. The reflective surface of this mirror gives you true-to-life images. The integrated battery has enough power to run continuously for more than 1 hour. Long press the below button to turn on or off the human body sensing function. The blue light flashes, the human body sensing function is off. The white light flashes, the human body sensing function is turned on. The LED mirror displaying the details of your beauty, easy to use while traveling, fashion and beautiful. One with a round blue-shaped LED light, another one with a square-shaped LED light. List number: Self full-length floor mirror, 65 inches x 22 inches. Self floor mirror full size is 65 inches x 22 inches, providing all viewing angles in one. Enough large for you to see your full body. Expand the visual space of the room. The length floor mirror absolutely safety guaranteed with explosion-proof membrane and scatter prevention. Our glass mirrors can be safely installed anywhere you can choose to place them on the floor or against a wall or wall. This large rectangular full-length mirror and floor mirror features a thin brushed frame for a very modern and commercial design. Its frame is made of aluminum alloy, which is durable and will not fade. This self-floor mirror is with 30 x 65 centimeter size, 3-inch deep ground glass. The back side of the mirror has a black metal beveled edge. This helps to keep the cleanliness of your room. Adopt international quality standards. The glass thickness is 0.2 inches, HD reflection effect.